We're gonna prep Mayak eggs and Dongchimi, which is like a water radish kimchi, and that should last us throughout the week. These are some other things that we like to meal prep. We cooked and froze all our rice. This is for 2 people. These are single portions. I always have some frozen green onion on hand. These are red chili peppers. These are green chili peppers sent from Korea, and my mom froze them. I have some frozen tomatoes. And we also always have frozen garlic on hand too. If you just have these in the freezer, it's pretty easy to put some sort of meal together. Gonna get a 1/4 of an onion. Oh my god. Ah, my eyes. Oh, I effed up. I don't know why I diced my onion like that. I normally don't. Oh no, this one broke. It's okay. Don't do anything about it. We got our eggs. Onions, a lot of onions. This is, oh, got the wrong thing. Frozen green onion, frozen chopped chilies. Maybe that much. That's what it's looking like. Now for the sauce, it's super easy. We're gonna do 1/2 cup of soy sauce. I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of water. Okay, added the water, and then 1/4 cup of sweetener. I'm gonna use this today. Sesame seeds. You just pour it right over. Oh yeah. This looks good already. And then I'll put like a paper towel on top to make sure the entire egg is coated. Perfect. And then you just leave this in the fridge overnight and you have Mayak eggs. We're gonna wash and chop Napa cabbage and our radish. For the radish, we're gonna do a tablespoon of sugar and then a lot of salt. I should have bought salt before this. And then for the cabbage, we're just gonna do salt and a little bit of water. You see all the liquid here from the radish? You wanna save that because we're actually gonna add that to the dongchimi, and same with the cabbage. Gonna blend everything up. Add 1/2 cup of water. Pour like 1/2. All the flavors are coming from here. Two serrano peppers. I'm gonna poke holes. Look at that mixture. All done. All right, for breakfast, we're gonna make some Bugeo Guk. It's like a dried fish. It's really good. First, you just soak this. I'm gonna use turkey down.
this cucumber recipe. This is from Anje's YouTube channel. He made this for IU and it has gone viral. So I don't know if I'm doing this right. It's kind of hard. A little bit of sweetener, a little bit of vinegar. You're supposed to add 1 clove of garlic, but I think I'm just gonna skip the garlic today because I'm gonna go to a workout class and I hate when I have garlic breath. And what makes his cucumber recipe special is he adds myeongjang. This is like a pollock roe. Mine is seasoned with gochugaru, so I'm actually gonna rinse it a little bit. This is just the skin. It should start to look kind of milky. Add some soybean sprouts, green onion, and some spicy peppers. Oops. That's so good. Oh my gosh. Just add the egg around. Alright, now I'm gonna drain this because a lot of the water came out, the cucumber. Add some more vinegar. Moment of truth. It's good. I think I need a little more. Let's see. Okay. I think you just need to add a little more oil. That's good. Ooh, I'm so excited for breakfast. 잘 먹겠습니다. Also, the Mayak egg came out perfectly. Oh. I think this soup is gonna be my new hyperfixation. This is my go-to smoothie recipe lately because it's so good. Let me just show you. Oops. A little bit of chia seeds. And what really brings the smoothie together is this protein powder. I don't know what it is, but it just makes it so creamy. Even without any milk, I'm gonna use like. And then I've also been adding hyaluronic acid, electrolytes, and collagen. A scoop. Normally I would add coconut water right now, but I don't have any, so this is just normal water. Fill it up. And then I am going to turn the sound down so you guys don't hear this. Every single time. It's so good. Yep. There's not much in here, but it really tastes like a smoothie that you would buy at a health food store for maybe $14 or something. This is the protein powder that I've been using. It's from Perilla. You might have heard of them because of their prenatal vitamin packs. I've seen so many good reviews on the Perilla vitamin packs, and so I actually had it saved in my notes because I want to try it once we were getting ready to have a baby. Obviously that time isn't here quite yet. These two have been part of my daily routine since I got it. Perilla is OBGYN founded, so all of their products are formulated by both Eastern and Western doctors and experts in women's health. Triple Support Protein has 20 grams of plant-based protein, 5 grams of no bloat powder for your gut health, and 3 grams of creatine for your brain health. I think it's so cool that Perilla has something for every stage in a woman's life, whether you're trying to conceive, into pregnancy, postpartum, motherhood, and even someone like me who isn't at those stages quite yet, but I still want to prioritize my health. If you are interested in trying any of Perilla's products, I do have a discount code for 20% off. I'll have all the details and the link in the description below. For lunch, we're having this frozen tomato Somen, and then I have some gochugaru on the side. I'm so excited to eat this. I kept getting these tomato recipes on Instagram, and so I've been craving something like this. Okay, first bite. That's crazy. Holy cow, that's so good. Oh my gosh, wait. Okay, it is dinner time. For dinner, we're doing Golbaengi Muchim and Buchu Jeon. We're doing sort of pocha style because there's a Knicks game going on today and June has been very excitedly watching it, and so yeah, that's the vibe today. For the Golbaengi Muchim, got Golbaengi, which is a sea snail. You kind of eat this for the texture. I'm on big bowls again. For the sauce, we're gonna do gochujang, soy sauce, gochugaru, sweetener, sesame oil, some vinegar, the liquid from the sea snail, garlic, and some sesame seeds. It's very easy. 1 heaping tablespoon gochujang. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna finish this because there's not that much left. Too hard. Sauce. I'm gonna do 3 parts gochujang. Sweetener, 2, 3. Sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of vinegar. 1, 2, 3. What is this? 1, 2, 3. This was one of my favorite snacks growing up. If you dip this in some Tabasco sauce and have it with some seaweed, it is so good. This is what it's looking like. Jun-sung! Hello?
Knicks are losing by 30.
Oh no, okay?
They're getting destroyed right now.
Oh shoot. I'm still cooking.
Yeah, it
Wanna
looks
try?
really good. Mmm.
Pretty good.
Oh, I got gochujang on your face.
Did 2 cups of the flour, 2 cups of water. Oops. This is what it's looking like. Look how crispy that looks. You want your beer?
Cornet checks in. That's 13 straight points.
That was insane. Dude, we were down by... Oh my god.